Friends from the press fraternity, I welcome and thank all of you for attending this important press conference called by Kashmir Chamber of Commerce and Industries in wake of the reports and complaints being received about the fake and imitation machine products to gullible tourists in the name of Kashmir handmade products. This is a matter of grave concern as such malpractice is bound to cut into very roots of our traditional handicraft business. The KCCI believes this is a shameful practice and, as such, has taken it is a priority concern. We have resolved to take necessary steps to protect, preserve, and promote our handicrafts known world over for high quality, use of material used, and it is incomparable craftsmanship. We all know the origin of Kashmir handicraft dates back to centuries, reflecting a confluence of various regions and cultures, notably Central Asia and Persia. Introduced initially by Hazrat Shahi Hamdan Mir Said Mir Ali Hamdani Rahmatullah in the 14th century. The Kashmir handicraft began to flourish in the 15th century during the reign of Sultan Zainul Abidin. Notable areas of our handicraft products are all kind of pashmina shawls, high quality Sozni embroidered shawls, the mulberry silk products, carpets and rugs, tapestry, crewel, chain stitch rugs, fulkari, wood carving, paper mache, copperware and silverware. Fine textiles like pashmina with intricate Sozni embroidery saw a major surge during the Mughals, who patronized it. The handicrafts played a crucial role in the state economy, providing employment to a large various sections of society via artisans, men and women, cottage level to trading communities and export houses, which contributed to growth of handicrafts. But unfortunately, we in the recent times have been receiving complaints at the KCCI from tourists that machine-made carpets and fake items are being passed on and sold to them in the name of Kashmir handicraft items. The KCCI executive has taken a serious note of such unfair trade practices and consider it not only a crime against the society but also as a serious criminal offense apart from bringing a bad name to the fair name of Kashmir. It has been found that some unscrupulous, short-sighted traders indulge in malpractice of selling machine-made products in the name of handicrafts to make a quick buck. It needs to be clear that while this chamber is not against those who are dealing in machine-made carpets, it cannot afford to see the machine-made things being sold in the name of Kashmir handicraft products, which brings disrepute to our traditional handicraft. The sale of fake products have badly started affecting the traders dealing in genuine handicraft products. It has also shattered the confidence of visitors on knowing that they have been cheated with fake machine-made items sold to them in the name of Kashmir handicrafts products they paid for. The KCCI suggested the shopkeepers, dealers, showroom owners label their merchandise in order to distinguish between the genuine and machine-made products. The handicraft traders, dealers should invariably attach a proper label to their product, given its description, composition as a genuine handicraft product or otherwise. The KCCI feels duty-bound to warn those traders who indulge in selling machine-made products in the name of genuine Kashmir handicraft to desist from indulging in such unscrupulous business practices, failing which such traders shall be identified through special squads of KCCI and exposed in the media both print and electronic. Such dealers shall be recommended to be dealt with sternly and blacklisted by the concerned government agencies departments. Thank you very much.